Hi everyone, it's Liam from Blackpool Automart. I hope you're all okay. And today I've got a quick video walk around of this purple Nissan Qashqai. Now of course it's got LED daytime running lights, full front parking sensors, and then when you come around to the side it's got these brilliant 17-inch alloy wheels as standard. I will go into each and every alloy just so you can get an idea of the design pattern and of course the condition. But coming around to the rear now, we've got your rear parking sensors. We've then also got a reversing camera up at the top just there, as you can see. Then moving inside the tailgate, as you can see, we've got plenty of room in here. So the boot floor is a multi-level boot floor, so you can of course have the seats folded completely flat when it is on the upper level. Alternatively, you can just pick the boot floor up and slide straight under, and they will fit nice and neatly like so, as you can see there. Then coming out and around again, showing you the rear alloy just here. In the back of the car now, we've got your cloth black interior with Isofix mounting points at the bottom. We've got full electric automatic windows all around. Then coming inside the front of the car, we've got your two front heated seats, as you can see, one there and one there. Got your automatic gearbox in the middle. Electric handbrake is just ahead of that. We've got dual climate control as well. Then we've got your touchscreen display just here, which comes with your various audio sources just here. We've then got your satellite navigation, and then of course we do also have Bluetooth hands-free built within there. Over to the steering wheel now, we've got your volume controls, track select, return button. Of course, these buttons on the left-hand side control your onboard computer. Over on the right-hand side, your cruise control settings are on the upper part, and then we've got your Bluetooth hands-free and voice assistant just there. We've got automatic headlights, automatic windscreen wipers, and as you can see, this car has done 20,841 miles. Jumping back outside the car now, showing you the last remaining alloy. If you do of course require any further information on this Nissan Qashqai, please don't hesitate to get in contact with our dealership, and one of our sales team can provide you the personalised video. We thank you for your time, and we hope to hear from you soon here at Blackpool Automart.